We need a ladder or something.
Yeah.
A ladder and some kind of stick. Not like something with a hook or something.
You always drive your car that put a ladder on top.
Probably not.
This is the next sensation.
Next sensation of
I'm gonna show you my crib. I'm gonna show you my crib. This is my refrigerator. Yeah, we ball it with the apples. We ball it with the biscuits. You gotta have the biscuits. Gotta have the biscuits. Watch this. I'm gonna try to make it land.
The video was alright. Just a little edit I put. I just wanted to edit something, so I kind of just, got the only footage that I could and just, edited it. So here's a random shout out to some people. And before I started, Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. And, hope you have a safe and good holidays. And here we begin. So first I'm going to start off with Mike 192021. Thanks for commenting on our channel, and I appreciate it. Next is Michael Glenser 1 and 2. Checked out your videos. Great work for a single person. That's a great job. Keep up the good work. 123 Moscow Man. Thank you for agreeing with me on the 3D prices and commenting on my channel. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see here. I want to talk. I want to give a shout out to VideoVaultGuy. Appreciate you doing that. Shout out to us a long time ago. Really appreciate it. Check out his channels. Next is Dark X Star. I can't really know the name, but it's a good friend of mine. Called you Snell, and he doesn't have much videos, but check him out if you want to. He's a really good friend of ours. So hope you enjoyed that. If you want to be shouted out to or something, or if you want to request something, just PM me or personal message me and comment. So I really hope you enjoy. This was Vlogger Town. Please subscribe and comment. Bye-bye.